Go.
Welcome back, second graders. Our objective today says I can build, identify, and analyze two-dimensional shapes with specified attributes, which really just means that I can identify a shape by the way that it looks. So here's our application problem. I'm going to give you the directions, and then I want you to pause it to see if you can figure it out. It says, how many triangles can you find? Okay, I'm immediately seeing 4 or 5 are kind of popping out at me, but I want you to pause it and see if you can count how many. I'll give you 2 hints. 1, they're not going to be all the same size triangles. And 2, if you only find 10, keep looking because there's more than 10. So this is our vocabulary that Ms. Thompson is going to be talking about in a second. So here are our 5 vocab words. Number 1 is a polygon, which is just any shape with 3 or more sides. So all of the shapes that you see at the bottom, those are all polygons. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon with 3 angles. A quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon with 4 angles. A pentagon is a 5-sided polygon with 5 angles, and a hexagon is a 6-sided polygon with 6 angles. And all of those pictures are down there at the bottom.
Okay, boys and girls, let's practice making some of these shapes. Now you can see that I have a shape on my geo board. I'm going to count the number of sides and angles first. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Okay, let's build this shape. I'm going to drag my sides up to the top. I'm going to make my shape look just like this shape. Oops, I messed up a little. That's the best part about these dots, is we can see exactly where to line it up. That's one of the best things about geo boards. Okay, so I've got my 4 sides and my 4 angles. Let's see if we did it. Oh, also, let's use our vocabulary word. We just learned that a shape that has 4 sides and 4 angles is called a quadrilateral. Let's see if we're right. Oops. Hold on, let's see. Sometimes this thing acts a little funny and it doesn't work perfectly. That's okay. Let's keep going. We know that's a quadrilateral. Let's try this shape. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does anyone remember what the name of 5-sided shape is? Let's count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I remember that a 5-sided shape is called a pentagon. Let's build it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, sorry friends, I don't know why this program isn't working the right way, but we can see from our drawing that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and 5 angles, which is a pentagon. Okay, let's try another activity. This one is fun. All right, count the sides and angles with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does anyone remember what a 6-sided shape is called? The choices are hexagon, pentagon, and octagon. If you said hexagon, you would be right. Let's try another one. This is a 4-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 angles. I know that we didn't talk about this term specifically, but we could call it a quadrilateral, or most of you might call this a diamond. Excellent work. A couple more. Ooh, this shape doesn't really have any specific straight sides. So what do we call this shape, boys and girls? Is it a triangle, a heart, or a circle? If you said circle, you would be correct. Let's try a couple more. Ooh, let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. A hexagon, a rhombus, or an octagon? I'm thinking it's an octagon. Let's check. All right. Last one. This is another shape we didn't mention, but it's another great shape to look at. It's a little longer than a circle. Is it a square, an oval, or a circle? If you said oval, you would be correct. Good job. All right, let's go back to our PowerPoint.
Okay, boys and girls, now this is the problem set, which is your homework. So what you're going to do on this sheet is you're going to count the number of sides and angles for each shape to identify each polygon. Now remember, all of these shapes are polygons, but they all have different names, different sides, and different angles. Okay, the polygons' names in the word bank may be used one for each shape. So I see that we have 3 shapes, but there are 4 words in there. So remember, boys and girls, to count your sides and to count your shapes. And also remember that a triangle has how many sides and angles? 3. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles, and a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. And the next thing you're going to do for your homework is you're going to build the following shapes, the ones that you see here, with household items that you have in your home. And if you need any help, there's a tiny URL link at the top of this page that you can go to for additional support. We are going to send your parents an answer key for you to check your answers. Good luck on identifying your sides and angles on your polygon shapes.